In this InDesign tutorial, let's take a quick look at how to group objects or text in InDesign. So you can group different things together. I have two separate elements here. So I have a text box and I also have an image. And these two elements, if I wanted to keep them together, maybe move them around together or resize them together, it's easiest a lot of times if they're in a group. So we can click and drag to select both items, or we can select one item by clicking it and hold Shift to select another and select multiple in that way. And then we can right click on this and we can go to group. Now the shortcut key for this is Command G or Control G on Windows. So we click on group and now we can see this dotted line around this group allows us to simply click on one of the elements and move the entire group together. You can also center this group. So I could left align it. Well, let's go ahead and align it to the margin. So I could left align it to a margin or right or center, and it centers the entire group. So a lot of times I'll group elements together just to arrange and align them on my page. So now we have this all grouped together. In our layers panel, it may show them as a group. Let's go take a look. We'll go to the layers panel from window, and then we can drop down layer 1. And yes, we do see it as a group. We can drop that group down and see what's inside that group. We can click this square over here to select that group. And so that's how you can group items here in Adobe InDesign. You can also ungroup, by the way, by right-clicking on the group and going to ungroup. That's Shift-Command-G. So Command-G to group objects together, and Shift-Command-G or Control instead of Command to ungroup items here in InDesign.